opening the mail out of order and in no particular order, just opening it. So, before the 4th of July, I had surgery and I was out for a couple weeks, and then I got sick and I was out for like a week, and then whatever, and so I'm back. And so now I'm finally getting to open my mail from Young Nails. Young Nails. Yes. Okay, so I'm excited to open like what's in this box because I want to use it, and I didn't want to use it until I share it with you first. So I have picked up a new hobby, which is so exciting, and I've been doing my own nails. And then when I discovered doing my own nails, and I discovered jelly tips and gel polish and dip powders, then I discovered the world of acrylic and color acrylic powder. And I did some research to see what was the best, and then I ordered. So here's one of my nail mails. I'm so excited. So this is the Young Nails Ultimate Acrylic Kit. So this is supposedly everything you need to start doing acrylic nails. So let's get in here and see. I'm having trouble popping it. Okay, so it comes with a pack of tips. One pack of clear tips, 50 assorted, and it comes with 50 natural tips. Fun. Okay, so it comes with a nail brush, which is what I like, so that you can use it with your swipe solution. Now I'm going to put a link in the bio to where you can get the kit, but it is up to you. I'm going to put a link to the YouTube. It's up to you to learn what this stuff is about, right? Because I don't do tutorials, I just share. I'm not good enough. But, so this is the swipe, the pipette. Why? And that's for the nail liquid. So you get 2 nail liquids, which is the monomer. Yay. That's enough. Let me tell you something. That's enough right there to make your husband put you in the garage. Rose oil, cuticle oil. And I'll put a link in the bio to the video of how I did these nails. These are jelly tips. Really easy, not difficult, like acrylic. And mine actually doesn't have a rose in it. Doesn't have a rose petal or a piece or anything. Some of them do. Mine doesn't. I'm okay with that. I'm not upset. Okay, and it says, don't forget to open me. Oh, I like little boxes like that. Okay, so it comes with Cover Pink, Speed Clear, Cover Blush, and Speed White. And so I will do a video demonstration of the colors and stuff in a different video, but I just want to do this opening. How fun. So there is 150 nail files, 180, and what is this? 180, and a 180 block. I don't know, I'm excited to see. I've watched a lot of Young Nails videos. I feel like I could probably do their online classes, but not like in person because I'm weird and intimidated in person. Whatever. Anyway, nail forms, which are my like favorite things to work with. I got another nail kit that I didn't do a video on. And I played with some color acrylic and some acrylic, and it was so fun, and I used nail forms. Excuse me. And it was so fun. So I'm excited to see how these go. Best part, they give you a brush, a sculpting brush. Seriously? Like, I ordered all this stuff, and then I ordered these really cheap brushes off of Amazon, and they were awful. So then I had to order one and like order a better brush because it was hindering my education. Look, I'm so excited to use this. This is actually a Kolinsky brush. Okay. Kolinsky. If you want ski, good nail ski, you gotta use Kolinsky. I probably cannot use this video now. Y'all know the Kolinsky people? Don't hurt me, Kolinsky people. They have a jewelry company. Kolinsky's Jewelry in the East Cobb. Okay. And so this is Slick Pour Flash and Burn, and Kitty Biz, which looks very much like me because it looks like iridescent glitter in Barbie pink color. 2 slick pours. The Ultimate Finishing Gel. I like to try that. I like very shiny finishing gel. Top coat. What is that? Yeah, like gel polish top coat. Okay. I'm new. My name is Mary. Nice to meet you. If I can do it, you can do it. Believe that. Okay. So brush on glue. And then protein bond, so non-acidic adhesion protein bond. Important, non-acidic. All right, so those slick pours, I'm thinking that those are like colored acrylic powder, but I'm gonna double check. Oh, and a dampen dish. So cute. He's so cute. Excuse me, so I'm super excited to try all of this, and I may do a video. I need to have a different camera set up so that you can watch me but not watch my faux pas. But anyway, I need to hook my camera to the side of the table so it's on overhead so you can see all the business happening and all that, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, I'm excited that you got to see this, and I put a link in the bio for you to be able to order your own kit if you so choose to venture out there and get crazy. I believe that my next purchase from them will be the dust collector that they have and the Mission Control gel polish, gel paints, pots, pack. I don't know. It's on my wish list down there. I'll put it down at the end too. Bye guys.